today, naami karon sa ocean view. So, my husband and I decided to go here para mag-unwind, mag-take a break because it's the end of, end na sa akong first term, which is a masteral. 3 subjects down. So, this Saturday, we'll have another 3 subjects. Tapos, mag-stop sa mag-unwind sa muna daw. So, we're here to relax. We came here by riding the barge. So, nagmotor me actually. So, sa motor, 70 pesos ang bayad for the barge. And then, before makasulod sa wharf, i-check sa nila ang QR code. So, it's important to have a QR code. Mag-inquire mo daan sa resort or sa kung asa mo moadto din sa Samar para matagaan mo QR code and makasulod mo sa IGACOS or the Airline City of Samar. Time check, 3 p.m. Check-in is actually 2 p.m. Later, we'll go down and I will show you the place. Room tour. So, this is our room. Medyo makalat na kay pataka naman og butang gamit, no? CR. So, this is their CR. Hello! Yeah. Simple. This is the shower room. Ref nila na way unod. The sink area. No? They have 2 bedrooms here. We have 2 bedrooms. So, separate lang muna. Okay. And then, TV. They have their aircon. Saan natabo nila, Dad? Sige lang na. Don't. Wow. So, mo niya mo ang view from outside. Hello there. Mayati ka. Siya na. So, mo to ang view. See, may mga yate dun ha. So, this is the view. This is the place. And this is the beach. Like, 360 degrees. We will go swimming na. Maligo mi sa beach. Yay! So we got the chance to to borrow a boat. Sariling sikap ang mga tao dito na side. Go Seaman boy! Go Seamanoy! Dire na day ka maabtan sa imo ang pagkuhan, pagskwilag BSMT. Ha? Darong bugsay dong, kay mo na mong giskwilahan.
Wala may bugsay sa barko.
Guys, so Mali day itong room na among gays doon kaganina. We found out na pagbalik na mo, gikan nag-swimming, nagkuan, gikan sa beach and sa pool. Pagbalik na mo, di na mo ma-open ang door. So, mo to, mali day ang room na among nasugdan. So, now we're in our right room. Kung room na sa me. So, one bedroom lang yun siya, one big bedroom. And then, the view is much better than the other room that we had. So, I'm gonna show you. Show you my double sheet. So, here, look, it's kind of nice because nag-view siya sa pool. It's almost sunset. Nice kahit tanaw ng clouds. So, this is now our view. So, wala siya. Mas better gid siya. Hi guys. So now we decided to go out to have our dinner. So we choose Habab. So actually it's not our first time here. We've been here last yung anniversary namin. So dinner is served. Let's eat.